I'm going to show you how you can transfer Pi onto your OKX wallet. Now from your Pi browser here, you want to go ahead and go to wallet. Now once you tap on wallet, you want to tap unlock your Pi wallet with your 24-word paraphrase here. You can either unlock with your paraphrase or you can unlock it with Face ID as well if you have that turned on. Now once you unlock it with either your paraphrase or with your Face ID, you'll be met with a UI like this, right? You want to tap on pay/request, just tap on that. Now, once you tap on that, you want to tap on manually add wallet address. Use this to send or request Pi from someone who is not in your contacts yet, so just tap on that. Now, once you tap on that, you want to enter in your OKX deposit address, so your wallet address of your OKX, just enter that in, and then also enter in the amount of Pi you want to actually deposit there as well. Now, once you deposit there, you can see this is the screen you will look like, transfer succeeded. And now, please refer to the history page for the full history of the transaction, but that's basically it. Your Pi is now transferred to your OKX wallet, and then you're done.